injured by an IED in Afghanistan. We now know that Christian Brown is in serious condition. Justin Hansen has a story of people who are sending up prayers.
26-year-old Marine Christian Brown, seen here in combat, was severely injured after an explosion nearly killed him in Afghanistan.
He was a very good kid. He was real sweet. We all loved him. He always wore hats, and we knew it was CB when he came in.
Brown is a graduate of Munford High School. He attended River of Life Church in Munford. The church's pastor says he's recently gotten a letter from Brown written while in combat.
He's corresponded with me a number of times, thanking the church here for the prayers and thanking people for help, lifting them up in prayer. I've been in a lot of tight situations.
Church members say Christian Brown, known as CB, was always joking around with fellow church members.
If you showed CB love, he was the kind of young man that would always be there to help return love.
Pastor Greg Timke says Brown is on his second tour of duty. Before going into combat, he was very active in the church's youth group.
Please remember him and all of our men that are serving and women in active duty in harm's way.
Brown lost both legs, a hand, and has critical injuries to his pelvis and ribs. If he makes it the next 24 hours, he will be flown to Germany and then to Maryland for continued medical treatment. In Munford, Justin Hansen, Action News 5.